Hi, hope you are fine. So today I'm going to discuss about MATLAB programs available in your syllabus. So here in editor window, your subject code, you find the subject code EC8562 Digital Signal Processing Lab comes under the regulation 2017. So I am going to explain the experiment number 1, generation of signals. This generation of signal consists of 7 signals up to cosine. Right, I'm going to discuss with you one by one. Right, before that, as you all very familiar with how to start your MATLAB, now I am at a desktop window where you can find the MATLAB shortcut. You just double click, you will find this window here. So this window is known as command window. In right hand side you will find command history and then workspace, right? So I already typed the value A here, 3x3 matrix, which has minimum value of 1 and maximum value is 9. So that here in workspace A is given as a matrix with minimum value 1 and maximum value 9. So whatever you are typing here will be reflected in the workspace. So okay, now we move to the program. Under the generation of signals, you have first experiment called unit step signal. So in order to reduce our time during the discussion, I already placed and typed everything I have done before. Okay, so all the experiments are available here. We'll discuss one by one. So if you are a first time MATLAB programmer, so you go to editor window and then you find before that you go here and then you just click this blank script, or using the shortcut key Control plus capital N, you will find this editor window. So where you write your code and then simulate by using this key run, or else we have another method to run the program. I'll tell you later. Okay, coming to the point. So we are at the editor window. So we have written this code. The experiment name is unit step signal, comes under the generation of signal. So I started with CLC. CLC is same like CLR, ACR in the turbo C environment. It will clear the screen. See, I have indicated this A. So if I write CLC and enter, so your screen will be cleared, right? So clear all will give you idea to eliminate all the values in the workspace. Okay, so if I clear all, if I type and then enter, so you don't find any value here. Before you had a which has a 3x3 matrix, right? And then here close all will close all the windows except this editor and command window. For example, if you had opened figure window, it will automatically closed. So whenever you start your MATLAB program, please don't forget to write these 3 lines initially. This is a very good start when you're doing your program at the initial stage. Okay, coming to the point, unit step signal. So here I'm using this statement n equal to capital N and small n is totally vary. Okay, so this MATLAB is case sensitive. For example, if I put n equal to 100 and then n equal to 200, right, you can easily identify the difference. Okay, for example, C equal to n plus 10, so you will get 1 or 10 because your small n is 100. At the same time, D equal to capital N plus 10, sorry, 10 plus 10, so what will you get? 210. So this is case sensitive one. So in order to differentiate case sensitive, capital N and small n is placed here. Okay, right. So what is actually I am doing here is what is available in the program is input is the default function available in the MATLAB, which is going to get the value from the keyboard from the user. Okay, So you will understand once I run the program, right? For example, if I take this n is 10 for time being, I'm taking this value as 10. So the next line, what will actually this next line will do? It is actually minus capital N is to 1 is to small capital N. For that, your 10 value will be minus 10 to plus 10 with the 1 as a distance. Okay, so which means minus 10, minus 9, minus 8 up to capital plus 10 up to plus 10, right? So this is the second line explanation. Third line, so unit step signal, how the unit step signal will be available? So your signal will be available at the right hand side of your graph, that is greater than 1. Okay, so that zeros will be placed up to 1 to n. What is the n here? 10. Okay, and then space is given here and 1 is written here, space 1 comma n. Okay, which means zeros available at 1 to 10, that is minus 10 to 0, minus 10 to minus 1, and then you will get the value at the 1, and then you will find ones after 1 up to 10. Okay, right. Stem n comma x. So whenever we discuss about the discrete time values, use this stem. It is a plotting one, so even we have a plot, right? So these three lines are for the decoration purpose, which means your x-axis will contain time and y-axis will contain amplitude. Then your title of this program will be unit step response. Okay, now I am going to run this. There are several methods to run this program. First method is even in the editor window you find this run button. If you press this run button, okay, we have one. Okay, right, we have an error here. Generation of okay, so the problem here is see, generation of signals demo. You are going to change this name of this. You should not give any space. Here I have given a space, generation gap of gap signals. You should not give this space. Okay, for that I am going to use this underscore. Okay, this is the best practice. So fortunately this error reflect during this session, so it's a great one, right? Oh my god, again define function. Okay, I want to replace it. What is that actually giving? MATLAB names must start with the letter and contain only letters, numbers, underscores. Yeah, we followed the same. Okay, for that you just GOS will be better one, generation of signals. Okay, oh, now it's working. So the problem so far you find here is you should not save your file as with any spaces and then additional values, something 1, 2, 3, something like that. Okay, so now the question is number of samples should be given by the user. So I am giving here 10. So after putting 10, you just press enter. So you will find the result immediately. So that is the advantage of here minus 10 to minus 1, you will get 0. So from this program, this is the crucial line, zeros 1 comma 10, so is placed here. minus 10 to up to minus 1 it is 0, and then it is the value is started from the 0th place to up to 10. So you will find here it is 10. Okay, so this is the result. Right, and then you go to see x-axis, it is a time, y-axis it is amplitude, the title is unit step response. See these 3 lines. Okay, right. Okay, so now it's a time for a second program, unit impulse signal. Here the same concept except zeros 1 comma n 1 and then zeros 1 comma n. So you will find only value at 0, right? The remaining things are same as what we have seen in the last program. Okay, so let's run this program. We'll see. So again I'm going to give 10. See, you will find this. So your signal is appears only at the 0th point, that is impulse response. So remaining things are similar, time, domain and amplitude, and then impulse response, and the title of this program is impulse response. Everything is same as the previous one. Okay, here I'm going to hide and I'm going to release the third program by using the key Control T. Right, Control T is releasing purpose, Control R is a locking purpose. So right, so unit ramp signal, unit ramp signals, you know the theory behind and syntax behind the unit ramp signal. So same story, display, another additional line is display, just displaying the unit ramp signal. So whatever you are written in this single quotes, it will display, right? That's all, display in the command window. So here the input values, 2 input values are taken, and then small n varies from minus n to plus n with the distance of 1, and then x will be a into n. Okay, and stem. So what is the purpose of this stem? Stem is used to display your discrete values, and then remaining lines are same stories. Okay, shall we run? Okay, right. See, you will get unit ramp signal as available in the program. We are going to display your program name, that's all. It is displayed here. Okay, unit ramp signal. So I'm going to give a same 10. Amplitude value is just give any value is a 2. Okay, so you can easily identify what is the ramp signal look likes. Okay, minus 10 to 0 and then 0 to here 10. So your value is start from minus 10 to ended with the plus 10. Okay, so another way to run your program is you just type your file name. Our file name is GOS. See, your file name is GOS. After a long struggle, we changed our file name. You should not forget this. Okay, just put enter. See, you will get the same. I'm going to give the same value, amplitude 2. You will get the same result. Okay. Oh, now you understood how to run in 2 different ways. So Control T, Control R to hide this. So exponential, Control T. I'm going to run from here. First of all, you just click it, GOS, unit ramp number of samples. Okay, right. So what is the problem here? Okay, save it. GOS, clear all is not properly mentioned here. Clear all and then close all. Save it and then run it. It's just like that.